Hi, good day everyone. We are Group 4. Our topic is time spent in studying correlates to time spent in playing mobile games. As an introduction, as a researcher, we conducted a correlational study in which we could students spend more on, whether his studies or his playing mobile games. Many of us wonder what the connection between the two is, which ones get more attention and which one doesn't. So we did a survey to find out because from the beginning we already knew that students prioritize playing, but not all, because others want to learn and study well, because we know that it is very difficult to study at the present time. Many keep up with the online class and may do not. Some study after playing and others play before studying. We both know that it takes the same amount of time, but we need to adjust the time we have. Many of today's students are forced to keep up with the learning that exists today. Many are adjusting as well as those who teach because it is very difficult nowadays to study at home, unlike was usual then. In our survey, we will see and know that the students pay more attention too. It shows how much more playing mobile games is consuming and their studies. Today's study is very difficult to adjust and understand each other because of blended learning. So some students spend less time studying because they feel they are lazy to study because it is not recognized their study. Playing online games is something that everyone, young or old, accustomed to. Everyone play online games because they are at home and can't go out. There are no time to roam outside because it was forbidden and because there was nothing to do with that. Here we found out that some students still prioritize long-term study over playing all mobile games. So we also learned that all students are neglected to play and not all focus on mobile games. Many students still prioritize learning and the pastime is playing mobile games.
This table shows the percent correlation table in terms of time spent in studying and time spent in playing mobile games, wherein negative 0.376 is the value of computed hour. We used the Excel to get this answer and we used manual computation to double check if our answers is the same as we do in Excel. As a result, it has a very low negative correlation.
A random sample of 20 student respondents were selected through purposive survey of those who are playing online games and how much time they spent in studying. A descriptive correlational research design was utilized and a validated survey instrument was employed to gather the needed information. The findings revealed that majority of the students spend more hours in studying.
As we do this survey to know how much time the students spent in playing mobile games and studying, overall, the students devote more time in studying than playing mobile games. These results highlight the important role connectivity plays in both students' academic work and leisure interest. But more importantly, these findings suggest that students' time online is spent on activities related to their coursework. Here we found that some students still prioritize long-term learning over playing mobile games. We also learned that not all students are neglected to play and not all focus on playing mobile games. Many students still prioritize learning and the pastime is playing mobile games.